2016 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.